Dr. Barbara Bopp and I started our experience in hair restoration back in 1986. And so we have pursued continuing to improve the results and the quality of the hair restoration that we're achieving. The patients that typically come to us vary from just starting to have hair loss to extensive hair loss. So in every case, we start and initiate the therapy with some sort of medical treatment, whether it be Propecia, Rogaine, light systems, or other topicals that can stop further progression of the hair loss. As we determine the interest of the patient and the need, number one, are they healthy enough? Are they great candidates for hair restoration? Then we will offer hair replacement surgery. We have been performing hair replacement surgery, like I said, since 1986, and the whole procedure has evolved over that time from large grafts that were clumpy and unnatural to micro-mini grafts, and then finally to the follicular unit extraction that we're doing now. We initially started with a different system called SmartGraft. We still have it, we still use it, but the new next generation of follicular unit extraction has been developed by a group called SmartGraft. And so we recently acquired that device and are enjoying the results that we're seeing so far. Let me say that one of the things we love to offer our patients is the latest and greatest technology. And things are constantly improving, and this hair transplantation device is a perfect example of that. The SmartGraft was a good device, but the SmartGraft is a better device. The things that it does that the SmartGraft did not do were it keeps the graft chilled. That's really important in graft survival. The second thing is it does not allow them to dry out because it continually hydrates the grafts and keeps them moist, and the survival rate again is improved. So the other thing is in the harvesting device has a tip that is actually transparent. So you can visualize the graft that's being harvested to make sure it's not being transected. So those are three of the biggest improvements in the technology. In many cases, laser or technology devices are often sold and you never hear from the salesperson again. In the case of SmartGraft, the opposite has been true, as was promised when we were looking at the device. The team has helped us with marketing and education of the patients. The team is readily available, really 24/7. And so in our initial startup, that was really important because there was some variations in this technology, and one of the more important things, we really wanted patients to understand the benefit and to seek out our care. Yeah, the team has really enjoyed the training from the SmartGraft team, and again, the readily available access, which is so important. When we're in the middle of a case, if there's a question, time is of essence, and we need the answer, and SmartGraft has been there in every case.